Number three, honesty. What is honesty and why is it important? One of the essential leadership qualities is the possession of honesty. Honesty is expected from leaders to garner trust and respect from people for reliability. Moreover, we look up to people who are loyal to their words and are accountable. Thus, honesty is the most valued trait for any business leader or any leader in general. Leadership can be defined in one word: honesty. You must be honest with the players and honest with yourself, according to Earl Weaver. It is easy to be honest when things are going well. It's a bit challenging when times are hard. Can you share a time in the past where you needed to be honest despite the difficulty of the message that you need to deliver?